Hello friends. Today I've brought you 15 incredible gadgets that are super useful for your kitchen, home and daily life. Each one is smart, practical, and trust me, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Stay till the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome finds. So let's dive right in. Number 15. Steel Potato Ricer and Masher. Making smooth creamy mashed potatoes can be tricky, but not with this heavy-duty potato ricer. Made from strong stainless steel, it gives you a perfect texture every time. It has 3 interchangeable discs, so you can choose between fine, medium or coarse mashing. Whether you're prepping mashed potatoes, baby food or pureed vegetables, it's super versatile. The ergonomic handles make it comfortable to use without tiring your hands. If you love cooking or hosting dinner parties, this tool is a kitchen essential. Number 14. Condiment Fork. No more sticky fingers while grabbing pickles or olives from jars. This fridge fork easily attaches to any jar with an adjustable band. It stays right there, ready for quick and clean scooping whenever you need it. The fork even has a drip tray to catch excess liquid, keeping your fridge neat. Made from BPA-free materials, it's both safe and durable. Perfect for anyone who loves convenience in the kitchen. Number 13. Cat Treat Spoon Squeeze. Feeding your cat treats can get messy, right? This clever cat treat spoon makes it neat and easy. It's designed to hold squeeze treats, so you can feed your furry friend without the mess. The spoon's shape fits comfortably in your hand and makes feeding time fun. It's made from, pet-friendly materials that are easy to clean. If you love spoiling your cat, this gadget is a must-have. Number 12. Universal Fitting Doorbell Cover. Want to stop unwanted doorbell rings without complicated setups? This universal doorbell cover is here to help. It easily rotates between Do Not Disturb and No Soliciting modes. Fits most standard or video doorbells, no drilling or special tools needed. It's perfect for busy work from home days or peaceful weekends. Super easy to install and looks sleek too. Number 11. Pull-out Cabinet Organizer. Cluttered kitchen cabinets are a headache for everyone. These pull-out organizers slide smoothly, giving you easy access to everything. They're perfect for under-sink spaces, pantries, or even bathroom cabinets. Number 10. Shoe Storage Organizer for Closet. If your closet floor is a mess of shoes, this storage organizer is your solution. It can hold 12 to 16 pairs of shoes, including boots and sneakers. The clear cover lets you quickly spot your favorite pair without digging around. It folds down flat when not in use, saving you precious space. The reinforced handles make it easy to move or pull out. A neat, organized closet starts with this simple fix. Number 9. 2-in-1 Microwave Plate Stacker. Running out of microwave space when reheating meals? This plate stacker lets you heat 2 plates or bowls at the same time. It's super sturdy, BPA-free, and fits most standard microwaves. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who loves saving time. The stacker's smart design ensures even heating without tipping over. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to clean. Number 8. Drinking Water Bottle Handle. Lifting heavy 5-gallon water bottles is no joke. These ergonomic handles make carrying those massive jugs much easier. They fit snugly over the bottle cap and offer a strong, anti-slip grip. No more straining your back or hands while moving bottles. They're made from durable rubberized materials for long-lasting use. Perfect for home office or outdoor use. Number 7. Compact Ironing Steam Press. Get wrinkle-free clothes faster with this compact steam press. It's designed with multiple fabric settings to handle delicate silks to heavy denim. The steam burst function tackles stubborn wrinkles like a pro. Its compact size means it's easy to store and perfect for small spaces. You'll save tons of time compared to a regular iron. It's great for busy professionals or families alike. Number 6. Bug Catching Tool. Curious about the tiny creatures around us? This 5x magnifier tool lets you catch and observe insects without harming them. It has a quick release button to set bugs free once you're done exploring. Perfect for kids, science projects, or even gardening hobbies. The handle is comfortable for both adults and little hands. Learning about nature has never been so fun and safe. Number 5. Faucet Mat for Kitchen Sink. Tired of the constant puddle around your kitchen faucet? This diatomite stone mat absorbs water instantly. Its 24-inch length fits most kitchen counters perfectly. No more soggy towels or mold buildup around the sink area. It dries fast, looks sleek, and is super easy to clean. A simple yet brilliant solution for a dry, tidy kitchen. Number 4. Stylish Hair Tie Organizer. Losing your hair ties every other day? Stylish Organizer keeps them all in one place. It's compact enough to fit on your vanity or bathroom counter. Plus, it comes with 3 bonus hair ties to get you started. No more rummaging through drawers when you're rushing out the door. It also looks super cute wherever you place it. Number 3. Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer. Running an online shop or small business? This wireless thermal printer prints 4x6 shipping labels at lightning speed. It supports connections to PC, Mac and smartphones via USB or a Bluetooth. Compatible with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy and USPS. It prints without ink or toner, saving you money over time. An absolute must-have for growing businesses. Number 2. Fruit Slicer Cup. Slicing fruits has never been more fun or faster. This detachable slicer easily handles strawberries, bananas, grapes, and even boiled eggs. Just load it, press down the plate, and your slices are ready in seconds. Great for salads, snacks, or fun bento boxes. It's made from food-grade materials and is super easy to clean. Perfect for kids, busy parents, or anyone who loves fresh fruits. Number 1. Bamboo Washer and Dryer Countertop. Turn your laundry room into an organized haven with this bamboo countertop. It measures 27.5 inches into 54 inches, fitting perfectly over most washers and dryers. Provides a smooth, sturdy surface for folding clothes or sorting laundry. The natural bamboo look adds warmth and elegance to any laundry area. Easy to assemble and clean, it's both beautiful and practical. Your laundry chores just got a lot easier. So friends, these were today's 15 amazing gadgets that are all about making life smarter, easier and more organized. Which gadget caught your eye the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you want to check out any of them, links are in the description box. Happy shopping! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cool finds. See you next time.